You could cry. You could cry about it. You had a bad day. That's what my boomer parents. You could cry. So, and that kind of morphed into my brother and I, and now my wife. Like, when something's going on that you have no control over, well, you could cry. Maybe your warm tears will make you feel better. I'm not going to cry about it. I may whine about it and complain about it, but I'm not going to cry over it. Welcome everybody. Today is Thursday, March 19th. There's no crying in eBay. So anyway, yeah, I had a crappy day yesterday. 32 bucks, and I'm off to 742 today. But that's not my worst day of the month. That was back here in February, 29 bucks. But also, look at that. I mean, I had a great, I don't know, 10-day run of really decent sales. I mean, there's auctions at 479, and I don't drop back below 100 till 2 weeks later at 60 bucks. And then another little pop, and another crappy day is 62 bucks, and then another nice little 6 or 7 days of over $100, and I get drop back down again, 63 bucks, and then back up and then back down. So the good days of the month definitely outweigh the bad days. And I mean, it's still 5,300 bucks for postcards. That's incredible. And it's 21, almost 22% better than the month before. So I'm not going to cry about it. You shouldn't cry about it. It's one day out of the month. It's one day out of the year. I can't control the economy. I can't control what people want to spend their money on. And I've said it a billion times in hard economic times. People aren't going to spend 20 bucks on a postcard when that 20 bucks is going to give them, what, 2 gallons of gas, 3, to get to work, to make more money, to feed their family the quarter piece of chicken or whatever. So anyway, I can't control it. I can complain about it, but I'm not going to cry about it. So what will I do about it? I'm going to list some more. I told you I scanned, I don't know, 4,000 postcards, and I'm going to bust my ass in getting those listed. I haven't run a sale. I don't run sales. I could. I just don't. I sent offers I just sent offers. I had like 40 eligible offers to send. I sent them a third off or 10% off a newly listed stuff. So there's little things I can do, but I'm going to work. I'm going to keep working. The other day was 15 hours. Actually, last night I think I did 17 hours because I got up at 5 and pretty much started working immediately. Just doing little things for the business, scanning, sorting, working on other side hustles for my side hustle for my side hustle. And, one side hustle it brought in a hell of a lot more money than that one. I'm not going to talk about that one right now, but you could always have several different things going on. I got the card stays. My video will make me $1 today. I did a members video yesterday, and that might bring me an extra $5. So you could either cry about it or do something about it. And I think that's what it really was, is what are your tears going to do about it? Just get up and figure something out or get over it. So let's pack my 5 orders, or pull my 5 orders for $29. 2 of them are airplanes, which I already picked. There's an airport in Atlanta. Been selling a decent amount of these this year, probably in like, is it 3 months? I think the Airliner International show. If you're big into airplanes and you like airplane collectibles, you probably already know about it. But there's every year there's a big convention type thing for people who collect airplane paraphernalia. Never mind, it was supposed to be in Atlanta and they moved it to Denver. So if you're in the Denver area, I like Denver. I thought about if this show becomes more local. Like I have Dallas, I have Baltimore, I have DCA in Washington, or what is it, Reagan National. Um, I could take part of my million aviation postcards and set up there, but alas, the closest one in the last couple of years was like St. Louis, and I could have, I guess, driven it, but I'll wait for it to show up. So there's another thing. Maybe if you have a lot of stuff, maybe you go vend somewhere. For me, the best part about vending at live shows was I got to cherry pick the other dealers the day before the show. So explore other avenues. And you know what? If you have to go get another part-time job or go back working for the man, you know, you got to do what you have to do. So anyway, here's another airplane. So I'm not smart enough to sit here and pontificate about all the ins and outs and everything you need to do. I just keep on doing what I do. Some days it works out, some days it doesn't. I hope this is where I think it is. This is the old system. Again, you can see all the tabs for, this is North Carolina through South Dakota. So hopefully, I don't know where Sharon, Greenville, is it under S? Yeah, that's what I hated about this system. And I always, oh no, okay. So what happened? There it is. It's right on the front. Someone had watched this item, had a watcher on it, and before I sent out an offer, I cleaned up the listing a little bit and made a new scan of the picture of the postcard, and they didn't buy it, but someone else did. I'm not about to go back through the 3,000 or 4,000 cards that are still under the old system and do an inventory. I don't have the time to worry about that. So I'm not gonna do it. Okay. So what else do you have going on? Do you worry about day-to-day eBay? I know I do. I say I don't, but you know, it's and I don't have to rely on this, but again, it's disconcerting when you have 46,000 items and you only sell 4 or 5 of them. What's this one? Coca-Cola building, Missouri. What do I get for that? $8? Okay. You think that would go for more? Must be common. So what else do we got? Last card here, Coney Island, AV21. So obviously it'll be a short video. Maybe I'll go over the it is Thursday, so we'll see what postcard shows are coming up. Again, I should have the Whatnot show this weekend. Nice Art Nouveau cards. Coney Island. I want to go to Lancaster next weekend, but part of me is like, do I want to drive? Because I wouldn't stay for that one. My understanding, it's a relatively small show, and I probably wouldn't need 2 days for that. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. Oh, last card. Very last card. Okay. I also need to clean up down here. I have a shelving. I don't know if I can show or not. Maybe a mistake. But over there. So this is where my active inventory, then I got another shelving unit. And then back behind this shelving unit, I have another row of shelves. And I need to clean off some shelf space. So I also got the colored tabs for the card stays that are just sitting over there. I need 3 of me, that is for sure. Okay, I think that's it for the cards. I'll do a refresh here. Nothing. Okay, let's look at postcard shows coming up. We got Omaha, Nebraska. What is this, the 19th? So Friday and Saturday, Omaha, Nebraska. San Francisco this weekend. There's Lancaster show. Like I said, I may go up Sunday. If I go up any day, it'll be on Sunday. And then Michigan, and then Havre de Grace the following week. Well, it's going to be April before I know it. And then all these shows. Look at all those shows. Allentown. If you got to go to a show, if you want to go to a show, go to Allentown. Save your money for Allentown. And then save the rest of your money to go to York in November. Okay, that's it. I hope you have more than 6 orders going out. 5 orders, I can't count. So, hope you have a great day. Hope your day's better. And hopefully I'm back tomorrow with a couple more sales. And I hope you are too. Okay, everybody, thanks. Have a great day.